3 hour drive, man. You're about to be in this way for 3 hours for going over there, 3 hours back.
Good morning, good morning.
Yo, what's going on?
Alright, so we're on the way to, we found this person selling a 250 Riley press on Facebook Market. As you know, we currently have I think it's a 250 or a 150 without micros.
Yeah, 150.
I think it's a 150.
With no micros.
With no micros. So we found this guy selling a 250 with micros, 1 platins, 4 colors. Really good deal. The only thing is, which we don't mind, is to commute. It's about 2 hours, 3 hours. But I guess that's more content for you guys, right?
Right. 3 hour drive, man. You're about to be in this way for 3 hours for going over there, 3 hours back.
You gotta do what you gotta do. It's not the first time that myself has done something crazy and just traveled a few hours out to grab something. But here we are. It's currently 9:32 a.m. GPS says we should be there by 12:40. So we're gonna hit the road now, and we update you guys soon.
You guys asked first. Yeah, and you were like, is that $600? And the only reason, me and you were trying to come to an arrangement. And of course, as soon as I say yes, I get freaking guys that want to pay me way more. And I'm like, I've already made the arrangement for him to come. That's why I was like the other day, are you still coming? What's going on? Because I must have.
Alright, we just came. We just got the press.
The press from the guy. The guy was super cool. Yeah.
Super cool.
We got the press in the back loaded. We got the platin. We're stoked. We're gonna hit the road. We're like 3 hours away, and then we'll catch up with you guys on the other side in New York. All right, so we finally made it back to the shop. It's 5:39, so that took us a while, but we got the press here. We're gonna set up tomorrow. This is the one that we currently have. We're gonna change this one out. This doesn't have micros. This one does. So that's the reason why we went with this one. But shout out to the guy on Facebook. He was pretty fucking dope. He gave us a lot of tips. The guy had a whole shop in there. Kind of crazy town, but we got it. So today's Monday, Memorial Day. We're back in the shop, setting up the new press. Here's the old one. That's the Riley 150 without micros. And then we upgraded to the 250, Riley 250 with micros. It's a beautiful press. We gotta do some cleaning. We're not done, but we're stoked.
Finished cleaning up the new pressy. Looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Looking good, looking good.
So the press is up, nice and clean. It wasn't as dirty, but it was dusty. The guy said he barely used it, he upgraded. So here we have our new press. Alright, so we're gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're back at the shop. We're still not done working. We still got more work to do. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Follow us on YouTube, follow us on IG, follow us on everything, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.